Welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Hello sir, mabuhay. Welcome to Philippine Airlines. Going to Cebu po.
Yes.
ID na lang po. Thank you so much. Make sure sir.
Taking our drinks. Zulea. Nice, huh? Hello mga kasenyor, it's our 4th day of MPTC Lakbay Pinas, and today we will be traveling from Clark here in Pampanga all the way to Cebu. But before that, we're going to visit the golf facilities of Quest Hotel. And we will be having our farewell lunch in SM City Clark, and then we will go already to the airport to check in with Philippine Airlines to fly to Cebu. So join me in our travels from Clark to Cebu. Let's go! Going to the golf course with us on a special Quest Plus band. So, hello, good morning. Let's go in. We're having breakfast here. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yung breakfast menu there. Good morning. Taking the golf cart.
Alright folks, now we're here with Dan. We're going to explain to us later on as we traverse the golf course about the features of Mimosa Blast. Hi John!
Hello, sir.
So, explain mo sa amin mamaya kung ano yung makikita.
Sure po, yes.
Okay. Morning na tayo and we're going to see Mimosa Blast.
Yes.
So we're leaving the clubhouse.
Sama tayo
We'll be going around the golf course. Papasok tayo na golf course na.
Yes, papasok po.
Okay. So even yung mga umbrella girls yung mga taga rito rin. So you're
Opo.
providing employment sa marami na.
Yes.
Okay. Yung entering the golf course. Clubhouse. So Dan, can you please tell us about Mimosa Plus?
Okay, so Mimosa Plus Golf Course is located here in Clark, Pampanga. So it is one of the best golf course here in the Philippines. We usually host international tournaments and also local tournaments as well. And also near siya sir sa mga restos and hotels and yung business city talaga ng Clark, Pampanga. And also we are not just a golf course, we also have soon to open our driving range. Yun naman siya sir. Doon siya.
Ito yung sa kanan na makikita natin.
Yes. And also, yun, we do not really offer for golf for business. We also offer golf for leisure din talaga, sir. And also, yun nga, yung driving range na soon to open, we are really capturing market for new golfers and junior golfers naman din. So yun, so the golf course has two courses, the Mountain View and the Acacia.
Ano yung difference ng dalawa? The Mountain View.
Mountain View course, yun sir yung more on the challenging side.
Ay, mahirap.
Yes, kasi sobrang dami niyang uphills, downhills talaga, and medyo marami siyang bunkers din. So bunkers yun yung parang mga challenges sa golf within the fairways, parang ganun sir. Wherein kay Acacia naman sir, more on the easier side.
Leisure.
Yes, for leisure talaga siya. So yun sir. We have a total of 36 holes sir, actually.
36 holes.
Yes.
Ano, ilang hectares itong yung golf course yun?
Sorry sir?
Ilang hectares? Kano kalaki?
I'm not sure sir sa hectares, pero sakop niya halos yung yung medyo doon pa sa bandang Fontana, if you're familiar. Yes.
So marami din palang golf courses dito sa loob ng Clark na meron.
Sir.
Ito, nasaan tayo? Ito ba yung Mountain View?
Right now sir, we are at the Acacia View.
Dahil marami acacia.
Yes.
Ang dami ng mga acacia trees. Sinauna pa siguro siya during the American era.
Yes, actually sir. Actually, we have a campaign, sir, parang room for trees and green meetings. Parang when you book a room with us sa Quest, parang you get a chance to plant your own tree and name it after you. Tas dito talaga siya sa golf course pinaplant, sir. Kasi we are really...
Hello.
Sorry po. Kasi we are really parang promoting yung sustainability to dun sa programs na yun, sir.
Speaking of sustainability, so yung mga water nyo, recycles para hindi siya...
Actually, sir, we are really moving towards wildlife, ecosystem, something like that.
Puno na to.
Yes. We also have parang tea markers, sir, na parang recycled talaga siya.
Okay. So, this is one of the oldest, di ba? During the American era, nandito.
Yes, actually, sir. What we are really trying to, sir, is kasi, here in Pampanga, parang, Mimosa Plus, parang natag siya as a private. Pero actually, we are very open talaga sa public. Like, everyone can really enjoy golf. Hindi lang siya membership. Yes,
pero meron din membership, of course.
Yes, meron, sir. Pero we are really open to everyone naman talaga.
Magkano ang laro dito?
Usually, sir, yung green fee Usually ranging from 4,000 to 5,000 siya, sir.
Plus pa yung mga gold card plus. Nice. So anong relationship ng Quest Plus at saka ng Mimosa Plus?
Si Mimosa Plus Golf Course, sir, and si Quest Plus are both owned by Philintes. Yes. Since si Mimosa Plus dito na din siya sa Clark, sa Pampanga, and si Quest, sir, usually yung same management na siya.
So some of the guests can stay at Quest Hotel and they can also use other hotels within the Clark area.
Yes po.
Okay. So anong bawa like yung parents would like to play golf, anong activities ang pwede nyo ibigay sa yung mga nagdala ng mga anak? Meron ba junior golf dito?
Yes, sir. Actually, yung kanina, sir, yung driving range, it really captures the family market and the junior golfers. So, it will soon to open. Hopefully, this year, we can open it na. Para we can really cater to families as well, sir.
And then tell us about yung clubhouse yung Baker J. Anong mga specialties niyan at saka anong matitikman ng mga golfers pag nag-breakfast or nag-lunch?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, si Baker J. Clark, really kay Philinvest talaga siya. Kay Chroma Hospitality. Then, nag-franchise siya here sa Clark, Pampanga. So, Baker J. Clark, Baker J as a whole is really a French cafe. So, really focusing on croissant and coffee. Ganun talaga, sir. Then also, syempre, dito sa Clark, we have the Baker J. Talagang inano namin siya sa golf course. Parang the Baker J. Clark is the only cafe here in Pampanga with the view of the golf course talaga.
So, syempre, the golfers, ano yung ini-enjoy nilang pagkain sa Baker J? Ano paborito nila?
Syempre, sir, yung mga croissants natin and coffee, yun talaga yung for breakfast natin talaga, yung croissants and coffee. Like, yung golfers can really enjoy yung mga freshly baked croissants and mga pastries and also yung mga coffee natin.
So, non-golfers can also use Baker J? Pwede bang pumasok doon?
Yes, opo. kahit yung mga galing sa home lang, yung gustong mag-dine, we can also encourage and welcome din po sila kahit di po sila golfers.
Ano pa ba yun? May sada na nakikita natin. Sino nag-design itong course na to? Meron ba? Kilala mo ba?
Parang it was designed by Nelson and Howard, sir. If I'm not mistaken, yun yung name nila.
Ang ganda ng course, eh. Rolling Hills, hindi siya flat, so very challenging. So Dan, maraming salamat for showing us for the first time yung golf course dito sa Mimosa Plus. Mimosa Plus, bakit may Plus?
Mimosa Plus Golf Course, sir. Yung Plus, sir, kasi parang we really wanted to incorporate na hindi lang siya, pag pumunta ka dito, parang hindi lang siya golf. Parang you have plus more to do. Parang gano'n.
That's nice.
Yes.
Kano kada balon? Balik na tayo. Come back at the clubhouse and let's have breakfast. I can smell breakfast. Dynamos. Baker J, complete breakfast. Wow, masarap. Cappuccino?
Cappuccino. Sa inyo din po, sir, cappuccino.
Oo. Breakfast tayo. Yan ang ating breakfast. Cappuccino pa. Just arrived at SM City Clark. So, we have a special activity dito sa SM City Clark, and we're going to show you some of the facilities of SM City Clark. Merry Christmas from SM City Clark. Ho, ho, ho. SM City Clark.
Senior Marketing Manager of SM Clark. I have here Sam.
Sam.
Okay, and of course, Sir Jeff. Hi everyone. Our division head and my former boss. Gusto ko yung may
So first now we'll roam around the center of SM City Clark. It's a northern Christmas winterland theme. The reason why we have the Aurora Borealis effect on our theme and the LED floor. And then later we'll go to the ice cream for SM Storyland, and then carousel, and then we're going to have lunch.
Again, we're touring around SM Clark. Ang ganda, napaka-festive na mood. It's a holiday season. Merry Christmas! So, the mall is fully decorated. Ang daming mga Christmas tree. Parang maging masarap maging bata ulit. Enjoying the Moana. Happy ride!
Experience, para po ma-experience po.
So guys, we're doing another first. We're after 62 years, makakasakay na tayo ng carousel. I'm very happy for SM for allowing us to play around, to be kid again. Yes. going to Skyline. Now at Fridays for 4th day Lakbay Pinas lunch.
Lapit na.
Okay, pakilagay natin ito. Para mas...
May lalagay pa siya.
Ganyan pa din.
Magkano po yung ganyan ng isang set?
Whether it's vegetarian natin.
Large show. Reasonably price, oh. Monday to Friday lang, hindi pwede pag weekend. So we're going to have lunch here at Friday. Maraming maganda nila. So this is special for Lakbay Pinas Team. Kain tayo? Merong isang human na practice.
So recently, we moved in this space, which is a 1,800 square meters space in here, 26 of So here, this is in support of the members of the export region who does furniture. So we market them locally. All of the exporters here, they do have their own companies. So yung support po ng Phil Export Region is to market them sa local market naman, to target the local market. So in Deco Central, we have like 27 manufacturers and 11 MSMEs. So if you will see around po, they have different specialties. We have accessories, lightings, and furniture. Right here on my left is Calvin Furniture. It's specializing in living. And then yung kung sa harap is owned by Ma'am Alice Reyes, Chris Harris, the national artist natin na ballet. So let's take a picture po and we go around to this house. So it's so parang pag-video. It's parang halo-halo.
So this time we finally get to experience flying in and flying out of Clark International Airport. So subukan natin yung last time we were able to show you how the facilities, but now it's the actual experience. So ganda talaga niya. Like na actual experience na tayo. So here we are, Philippine Airlines. Okay. Dito pa. Ganda na airport. Checking in at Philippine Airlines. This is special Lakbay Pinas. Diba? Checking counter. Okay. Welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Hello sir, mabuhay. Welcome to Philippine Airlines. Going to Cebu po.
Yes.
ID na lang po. Thank you so much. Sir Joseph?
Yes.
For safety question po, is there medical completion or past operation to be there? Wala naman po.
Wala na.
Waiting po. Can you double check the things that are not
We also have a special counter for seniors and other comfort class. Already check-in. Next is proceeding to our gate, our boarding gate, to wait for our departure time.
Oo nga, sir. First time, sir?
Nasa isang lugar lang lahat ng stuck daw muna at Blue Smith.
this short, parang we'll just focus on all the developments of SIAC the next 5 years. By the way, si SIAC pala, for those of you that are not familiar,
They can see
SIAC
it.
stands for Clark International Airport Corporation. So previously, we used to manage the airport until it was privatized in 2015. So ever since its privatization, nag-focus na kami more on the development of airport development surrounding the airport. So for most of you guys, it's your first time visiting Clark and flying to Clark. Nag-fly na kayo.
Yung first time?
Pero may
First time.
First time. So how do you find the airport and accessibility?
Walang ka stress.
Oh, diba?
Compared sa you know what.
Yeah, very convenient. Galing kayo Manila. So, di ba, very convenient from wherever to ka. Kahit way south kayo, from SLEX, tapos Skyway, NLEX, tuloy-tuloy till here. Very seamless yung travel, very stress-free. Even when you go through the check-in counters, di ba, very, very efficient. So that's what we're working on here at the airport. And then outside of the airport, which we're now concentrating on airport developments, we have these what we call 7 flagship projects. So yung 7 flagship projects namin, we're meant to make Clark as the civil aviation global logistics hub of the Philippines. So in support of the airport, meron kaming mga projects na pursue to increase traffic north, help the airport grow, and also to support yung logistics ng Clark naman. North, diba? Pero pagpasok nyo ng Clark North, medyo malayo pa, very near sa airport. So one of the projects na infra projects namin would be a direct access link. So similar to NAIA X, coming from Expressway, ECTEX, dire-diretso na yung exit. And ito yung ECTEX dire-diretso na yung exit, papunta na sa terminal. So this is the terminal. So that's one of our projects. And of course, it's not only to reduce travel time, but also to open up our areas for development. Kasi kung napansin nyo, ang dami pang areas for development within Clark. So, it's prime talaga for development. The good thing about Clark, hindi siya parang Manila na congested. There's enough space for development, and at the same time, we are a master plan community. So, ibig sabihin, ayos yung mga land uses, naka-zone, and everything has a purpose para hindi tayo masisikipan, and also our roads, enough yung carrying capacity ng roads. There won't be any congestion in that regard. So this is where we are right now. This is the terminal. Kung napansin nyo, naka-board up itong buong area na to because that's the rail. Yun na yung alignment ng train, yung north-south commuter rail. And right in front of the terminal, it's going to be a station ng train. So it's going to be an airport express, meaning limited stops from Clark to Metro Manila, diretso sa airport, and also to key stations. So isa rin yan na mag-open up ng travel and tourism for Clark. And across it, di ba, may expanse of open area. That expanse of open area would be a transit-oriented development project o SIAC. Ang mga nandun, similar to what we see in other countries, magkakaroon tayo ng convention center, big enough to host big events. So, mga 100,000 at the same time. Kasi currently sa Clark, ang problema niya, limited pa yung mga hotels namin. Hindi pa ganun kalaki yung capacity. So, what we're trying to do is to make it as a business tourism destination. Meaning, we're going to bring in all of these world events, world expos, and that will be a convention right across the terminal. So, very convenient for visiting tourists and business people. And then, beside it would be an arena. Yung arena na yun, multi-use. It could be for a sports event, it could be for concerts. So, very flexible siya. It's going to be an entertainment hub. And then, beside it would be an airport mall, similar to those abroad, yung mga outlet malls.
So we're going to domestic. By B. Still under construction in some areas. Restrooms, marami. So we're finally getting to experience going to a southern destination using Clark International Airport. Here, the destination of Philippine Airlines. From Clark, we have Busuanga, Caticlan, and Cebu, and soon Siargao. The waiting lounge. Diba? Ang ganda. Diba? I like this design. So I believe these are gate 55B.
From 20B, nalipat po sila ng 5K.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
is our airline. Hello, hello, hello.
Sir.
Ito yung sasakyan natin.
Sige, hi lang. Sige, diretso lang po. Sige, hi lang.
D. Hi. 5D, ay sorry. 5D. 5D. Okay. Ito pala. Hello. Flying to Cebu. Welcome to Cebu from Clark. So we arrived already in Cebu from Clark. It took us about 1 hour and 30 minutes. So we don't have to check in luggage. We'll just wait for our companions to pick up their luggage and we'll be heading back. We'll be heading to our hotel and maybe another dinner. Okay, see you later. Here we are. Oh, may warm welcome. Welcome to Cebu, Lakbay Pinas. To our vehicles. Welcome to Cebu.
Welcome to Cebu.
Thank you. Welcome to Cebu. From Clark to Cebu. So agad, oh. Lechon. Welcome to Cebu, Lechon. So welcome to Cebu from Clark. Right now in Cebu. First order of the day. Maybe dinner and then check in sa hotel. And then tomorrow is another big day of exploring Sisilex. Another flagship project of MPTC na nandito sa Cebu. So tatawid tayo ng Sisilex Bridge. I'm so excited of doing that. I believe these are our photon vehicles. Okay, dito tayo. 6-2. Another Photon vehicle. Thank you. So ito yung ating vehicle. Another Photon vehicle. Photon Traveler again. So finally arrived at our hotel. Solea Mactan Resort dito sa Cebu. Okay. Dito na tayo. Nice. So welcome to Solea. Taking our drinks. Solea. Nice, ha? Ganda lang ang interior. Okay. Hello mga ka-senior, we finally arrived here in Cebu after traveling from Clark City in Pampanga all the way to Cebu. So it has been a long 4th day of MPTC Lakbay Pinas. So we started in Clark. So we were able to visit the facilities of Mimosa Plus Golf Course. I'm very happy to see finally go inside the golf course. And this is also operated by the Pilimbest Group. And after that, after going around the golf course, we had a very good breakfast at BKJ in also Mimosa. After that, we went back to our hotels, check out, and then we were taken to Clark, SM Clark, SM City Clark, where we were able to see some of the latest attraction, the Christmas attraction. We saw their Christmas display. We saw their two-layer carousel, and we had fun doing some ice skating. After that, we had lunch at the in our case at Fridays. They have a very they recently introduced their lunch package, which is about 350 pesos, and it contains salad and main course and some others. So do visit the Fridays. After Fridays, we went to a place called Deco. This is operated by the exporter, Pil Export of Region 3, where we saw some of the furniture's works of the furniture makers of Region 3, Pampanga, Interlac, and many others. I'm very happy that the Filipinos can now compete worldwide in terms of furniture design. And then from there, we check in at Clark International Airport, this world-class airport wherein we have be showing you how the procedures of how to have a stress-free check-in at the airport. And then we also got a briefing about Clark International Airport Corporation about the developments that will happen around Clark International Airport in the next 5 to 10 years. I'm excited about that, especially the North-South Commuter Rail that will have a stop, that will have a station at Clark, which will make traveling from Manila to Clark, if you're flying to via Clark International Airport, smoother. And then lastly, we took a Philippine Airlines flight from Clark to Cebu. Thank you very much for Philippine Airlines for taking us to Cebu. It has been a very smooth flight. We left as scheduled and arrived as scheduled. And then when we arrived in Cebu, we were welcomed by the CCLX group of Metro Pacific, and we were taken to Salaya Resort when we have the buffet dinner, a late buffet dinner before finally checking in at our room. So it was fun, hectic, but very much enjoyable. So thank you very much for joining us in this adventure. Travel while you can. Until the next vlog. See you soon.